Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English classes. Today we begin with a new poem number 6, Mystery of the Talking Fan. The poet of this poem is Maud Rubin. Here, the poet talks about an electric fan. The poet is fed up of this fan. Why is the reason the poet is fed up of? Just read the poem and we'll find out what is the reason behind it. So we'll begin with the introduction. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? So at present where you're sitting, do you have a ceiling fan? Just look at the top. Is the fan quiet or noisy? So if you keep your ears open and listen carefully, just think, is the fan quiet or is it making any noise? You may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem which you are going to read. So you'll be come to know here in this poem how this talking fan from the poem topic, from the poet, what talking fan, what is the mystery behind it, why the poet wants to know about this talking fan's mystery. When we read it, we'll come to know. So all of you pay attention, children. Okay. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. Now what do you mean by electrical? Electrical means the electricity. बिजली से जो संबंधित होते हैं. His chatter means to murmur. I couldn't quite hear what he said. So because of the murmuring, the poet could not hear what exactly the fan said. And I hope it doesn't matter to him, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor. What do you mean by whirling? Rotating. And all the mystery was spoiled. All the secret was ended. Spoiled means ended. He ran as still as water. He ran as quiet. इतने शांति से शांत से वो पानी जैसे बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं कर. The noise stopped. Okay, so this is the poem all about. So again, I'll just give you a brief introduction. In this poem, the poet talks about an electric fan that made a lot of noise. The poet could not make out, he was fed up, and he could not make out what was wrong with that electric fan. And one day, what he did, he called an electrician. Then what the electrician did, he put oil in the noisy fan, and as a result, what happened? The fan became noiseless. आवाज बिल्कुल बंद हो गया. Movement became smooth and silent. The mystery what the fan was demanding was solved. So what the fan was demanding? Because why was it making noise? Because the oiling was necessary, and that was the mystery behind the talking fan. I hope you all understood, dear children. Okay, so one more time I'll explain this through pictures. So, mystery of the talking fan, the poet is Maud Rubin. In this poem, the poet talks about a fan that chattered while in motion. Chatter means it murmured while moving around. The poet likens the noise made by the ceiling fan. It liked the sound, but it was fed up finally. See the sound what comes. To human beings who talk too much and too fast. So the poet is comparing the sound to the human beings. There are some people who talk too much and too fast. So same way the noise created by the fan, the poet thinks about it. She says she could not understand what the fan was trying to say. So the poet is telling that it could not understand. She could not understand what the fan was trying to tell. So the poet hopes that the fan was not saying anything of much importance. कुछ ज़्यादा important वाला बात नहीं बता रहे थे. Because it is quiet now. I hope it is saying anything important. So now the poet is telling that it is quiet now. How? Somebody oiled the fan's motor one day. So the poet, what she's telling, that she called the electrician and the electrician oiled the fan's motor. And what happened? The sound became noiseless. Since then, the fan has been running as silently as still water, as quiet water. So I hope you all have understood. Okay, so now as homework, what you have to do is, you have to write the poem in your notebook, the meanings and the question answers in the notebook. Okay.